How to buy crypto on LBANK Exchange using credit or debit card. If you want to buy crypto on LBANK Exchange using credit or debit card, first of all, launch the LBANK app, and this is the type of interface that you will see. Now what you want to do is you can see this option called deposit from the very top. So you can tap on deposit. Now let's say I want to deposit or buy crypto, or in this case Bitcoin. I can select that. Now over here, instead of selecting on-chain, which means to transfer from another network, we want to select a one-click buy. So tap on it. Now simply enter the amount in the USD or any of the other format that you wish to buy. So let's say I want to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. I will select that. Now here you can see payment method. Now under payment method, you can simply select what your credit or debit card type is. So if your credit or debit card is a Visa card, select Visa card. If your credit or debit card is a MasterCard, select MasterCard. Depending upon whatever it is, you can simply select all. After that, now you can simply choose a merchant from here. By default, it will choose the best merchant. Then you can tap the buy button. Now you can tap on confirm. On the next page, you simply have to go ahead and enter your card details, and you'll be able to buy using credit or debit card. That's all it takes to actually buy crypto on LBANK Exchange using credit or debit card. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.